ka say Adonko next level so sorry Adonko family ko because obi enim say you can't do Safowaah Adonko next level Adonko
family ko Adonko Bitters
ene ma obeji dini e ma wiase nyina ehum but the true baby no what dey make say Adonko company no wo di wo mo to apaso edwaso ohoro wom osi wom wo hata wom e pasa no wo tena se no enuhu bi aba ana sen ene call ye because ebia ene youth ya ya ben di oti yante di we hu asekire nso so wa ka ne basa enu nti ye pese oni yen share sa experience ne ho no kakra no afi ye to aso
well first of all Adonko Famiko and the mom the biggest platform with billboards Ghana, some part of Africa, Europe, and no the Emejitum. Adverts needs to be a lot of opportunities. Akwenya emame, yes, as a person. Now, when we say empenyu force the etremono, etremuko, whatever that happened in the past, and the see, you know, me call Dr. Kwaku Oteng and I say, yes. Editor nenim se ejade ni minim odo na wo de woma me se ba na me nso me wo ye meja na nso sebe eya na abrabo mu no nipa bebre nso be hihye achiwe e man nsem sisi enti na nyankopon ko ano so no ne he is the only judge erade penalty ase enti meka twe ne sen empanyufo papa achew
okay
when for yes
emomo call papa na say
epa na chew yes say ejade senior yes say ejade senior so I think say the etwemo no etwemo
misre me bisa o enti papa giton mu or accept or the
I don't know how well I win him Dr. Kwaku Oteng.
Doctor is my father. Is okay.
But me no. Say what happened in the past. The reason why people penetrated me and Dr. Kwaku Oteng say, na me ye papa ne kremu ba. Yes, me pese me bo ne ex-wife bidin.
Okay.
But upisa no a obeka cho the level how na doctor pemasem if you say one say advert won enye obia na ade ne advert yeye enye obia na ade ne to billboard to ebeba beto ade no
enye obia nso so na obenya sa do na ma se wode nipa obehwehwe ma se papa mechusu sa nipa na obi be introduce sa nipa
apart from enokra no ye betimi akasa ye introduce ba ye nyuso
yes
good enti papa na ofre mi sikadua yes na papa pemasem na odomese ne kremu ba na nipa hihye akire di se adwuma no me de me kremu no ubisa doctor be ka cho say Safowaah na ni eden asidie but onye nipa bonini
okay
yes doctor be ka cho and na secondly so me papa cho wiye no me come in kotodwanim ka che rade say nipa bia etimi gina mu ema boni si ye no ewrade nso nkyere no akwan ene sankofo ni nyina no
ususu se enipa bi na ehyehyase ene ma saade no
good eye nipa ne na nipa mo otwe ni menka twe ni se eye nipa na ehyehyase free se omuhu odo a na doctor ewo mame oti ase mame ntina wo show yi so na minsan kasa biem me ne Dr. Kwaku Oteng ye nyampana twe papa anye hia me wa ha yenkwa na papa dome sa wo ba kumase won na doctor didi a na me nsa demu bibi se be ka kyewo se mi wura papa office na odidi a se aduane ni sinanimu se ya obeka se me ba no munyi ne de ma menye sape mo obi amfa ne nsa ntum
bi se papa kyewo no o accept and I want accept
ojitu mu fefefe
okay
but na mimi wo gidie se e wo se me to me bra so se de menya ni monyam hye bia obi tene nche obeka kyen se papa oba no de wasa akoye ni o me be ye Guinness world record me Fred daddy se papa Ode me ya Adonko amene na mu advert asese me kosko amaye niema bebre. Me am cement na asefo no. Me pese me gina wiase anim. Ekasa 6 days.
Okay.
Me friend doctor no say frem anwumre na cheche me asem na wo kana say.
Okay.
Ti me friend anwumre and am say papa Guinness say me gina boot me make say no so okay nye problem.
Okay.
Me friend ne ba mapo.
Okay.
Fred mapo ya wada.
Okay.
Non seniska we mam.
Okay.
So even doing my Guinness and I'm saying it because obia wonim Dr. Kwaku Oteng wonim so any papa.
It was support.
No, he did. Me anytime I need.
Papa,
yes.
Yes. Daddy. Oh. Oba Tampa.
Acho me ba me te asisi ano. Se me wo kire me won kran. I did dear me here doctor no doctor who me nipa boni ni o.
Okay.
O hu me se me muade o. Onim se sebe eniema na siye. But the man knows how good I am. Wow. Because there be a doctor ka say ni wi ase. Nipa owo hwa wo to me fa phone friend papa. Wa pomudin de say to say papa what didi omo hwe wo ye o se ni wi ase. Se obenya sa call ni bia na free me ho. Ubisa doctor obeka a.
Enti ade na esiye no. Till now when
me wiase me ni no ho ba nipa ba ko me ye na de me tsena se ka se okra fia na nkeni se wo ye sa de we ye Dr. Kwaku Oteng
amen sure
se wo ye no free ma obi ani wa ma ye na de me ya me nipa no kwa me sa ye ne bi
but wan kasa wo hu se wa ye nkofo ade
obi aye obi bibi
oh
yes abrabone na minua ba obia ni wo bi wa asem
but obia ni wa ye na de eye wo ja ana wanya no hu bia apart from doctor
apart from Dr. Kwaku Oteng
bremu kakra
I think sir on this level no I was looking at offense a part of life so be obia ni we are see on your offended that but then offense ba ye nyame mba de na twere ka fa Luke 17:2 and 3 no. Ose se oni aye obonia. Tia no. Na so nunu ho a fa che no. Question is we nunu ho e.
Okay.
And you treating is sama na memu ni. But nunu ho dia fa che no. It whatever transpired no. Once I know who buy a o call back penny for count echo cerebral fa che no. I think say it's on a good note.
Okay. And that's
sure it's on a good note.
Eti papa efutuo ben e na wo de be ma no niema a esiye no
I think it's untumi en offend you be one na unsu e be free
okay
say no one kasa kan ade biara wo nimu say wo ye ya the offense by no enye doctor nko but who you are meeting next or next level in life onipa wo shia no
but ono so ama minchawa no papa ono so ama yati ase apart from ye papa Dr. Kwaku Oteng o ye na de na say emeka se okopa ne chewa ene emeka se wenu no ho no obie ne ho no mo ne nya na se waye na dia waka se ono be di ne sabe ni waka se ene wenu no ho
well a hot side maybe
but your mama remember kakra daddy
okay
na yes ne mama make sa bold statement ne say papa na odom free ne krem na papa ye papa bi a me friend daddy me pese me ya ade we me peska we o se frɛ me ya wada o de
enti na che se odo sika dom ko ana na de do papa
me ba a good question but na odom na odwene me ho
okay
na papa ne pem ye like o pem ye mama katwi ne sa woti ase na ohu me say akra no ohia nipa ohia moa pachoti enye sika nko a but the people have dealt with in the past no are people or even in the present are people o moya wade a na yes they don't even care so my nipa de entimi so say papa kan say yen treat you say amanaman ni no ene ye me de mama na man say de twi na papa kan men kai but the Bible mo de no
okay
and I don't regret it
okay
yes Tiana na mpesa me chire papa mu kakra no.
Wow, papa. Yeah. Bremwe. Na ena di head stuff.
Well, say na what chire mo no.
What day?
Okay. But then again, so cause apart from doctor no. Offend you obi biom da eho.
The me cause me offend you obi am regretted that. Omona they've offended me, I've offended them back. Well, if there is a next life after my 95 years on earth, I'll tell God I want to look for those people to offend them again. Hey. Because I'm coming. That doing him the ye wo nipa bebre wo wiase a omo ye wade na wan stop omo a omo de bedi nipa bia wasasi. So me TikTok edu Safowaah, and I do this relationship life, and so many I talk about a lot, and so many people are intimidated today because obi your ma de nipa na wan kan chem se kafra eku omu sunsum amoma kademu enti ye woni pa bi wo wa ye wade a you have to face them squarely and above the square said ye onfa de ode ye wo no onfa nkoye nipa foforo efisada de ye fa ne se me ne watena atwempena na waye ne se o fansem hunu ko ye hwan ba said your kan me bie me koma mu ye nipa papa me mpebo ne mi suo bone because of me nyine no eti papa ye mfa ne se ma ye o papa we nyina na o si o fansem hunu ko ye hwan na pese o kire me bibia me no me kire
ase de wo kan de mi ntwawa no wo be kire nipa no bosom ya yedua maburu sa na pese wo kan
me kire papa bibi wan wo se me ebi o kire me no ebi I have the strength to move on. But papa we give for shema wutie wo monsem bema ba kopa bi ene ye bi ntino ene wo ba bi akademu. I have so many women friends on we 40 35.
Eno na me pese me bem na me bisa se de wo kan de papa ase de bema bi aye na de bia ase ontumi mfancha na se bi aye na de bia yes wontumi mfanche because unsema wo kan no ase wo depends oye obi wo mu
let me honey mama explain the pain in chill me after the good interview me koye not everybody is pained though there is strength in me
edien na obi dia yewa because ye kasa ye jawa edien na obi dia yewa wo be kasa de we die me ntumi mfa nche nipa ne da still
Nayas, I like your question. So be mama me. It's me some mom papa. Mama can't say me Nayas. Me we are see amenam. Men kai di ni pe bia dia yeme. And let me give you a good explanation. Me ni papa wa yama dia yeme ya. Eye be mama man den ho kame. Good.
Oh.
Good. Enti no se nipa ye gugum. Me no apart from bema sabe me roma deja chere no. Me one me nim me masamo ye. Two me nya me bra basabasada.
No be bu kwasia.
No be good. That's not okay. Good. Enti me bema bia I'm 34. Me ma me ni o matena nyina no because of lady be a friend no. Na wawu. On any boyfriend or so be kumio or trashy years something do kwalebu. I was around 18, 19 then. And a sister ni free mu. Enti mo ya me bonia. But what they make a note I say. Major whoopee. Enti me kai will be a bibio because I've paid all of them back in their coin.
Papa, sansem na o kanon pastor so yes say obi your bonia na woni obi nam na your bonia. Ube pay ni back the chia papa.
First of
Papa,
all,
me dey nya man na me
no
relationship.
Can ni nyina papa me so brema me because asam na critical serious
but first of all no e dey na bema obi beka say me mfanche
good
and now we there is too much for me and he said you are offended straight up
Me dey papa ya na me nya offended me fit me nkra bre we ma dey am ye obi sa na me tie
meba adia ye ya untumi mfanche no it means say I offend you
good.
What you say? It is say unya offended ye dia. O de beche.
Be baba me ba. Said ye wan hu sem ye nipa na moja free me mu no.
Good.
Me se be mo hu say unya nipa na moja free.
Anything you say why you offended.
Oh, okay, papa, I accept it. I accept it.
Great.
Big papa, I accept it.
Great. It you know based on offense no. Enema will behave sir. By the obe coin. Bitterness no share. It is a bore. Why me you be? Why me you be no? It's digging you down. And you na many. What you see? Great. It you know that is how on the other side the enemy takes advantage. When say mommy way, yeah obey. Yeah obey. Yeah obey. Before you know. So what you say? It you know you have to get to a point where you overcome that. What you say?
Yes.
Because
Papa.
now obia will say Mami we there.
That
is what they know. But what they don't know is that you can also let go. And that is the
aspect. I let go a lot of times. That
great. It you know, say if you can let go, let that aspect be more.
Oh, Papa, share. I respect what you're saying, but I'm fa. If we say no.
Put me jira nyame difu anim. Nyame prophet anim. It's because you respect
whatever you say.
But
listen, Nayas.
Wow.
Depending on where
are you serious?
Yes, depending on where everyone grew up, sister may say, I have spoken to people who are intimidated in the room now.
But won't me ma will be won't me French will be asaso.
Experience now what can then you learn from experiences of life. You learn from experiences of others.
No, listen, say obi aye wade. As a papa. Ebia obi ya made betimi di ache ba nya ni nyina kan sa say bia nya ni nyina na betimi ba wo de wo so won fa nche.
There's an aspect that you don't want to see.
Me who say you are not listening to me. Me say me bema power ya made e me ya e bema mama no de no ho aka me. You understand?
It's not just so person o ma yeti ase say opon bibia mu no de wo wontimi mane nko ana wontimi mfa nche ye bema
o de no ho aka me
no be bu kwase ya.
Good eno de
good.
I paid them back squarely.
Oh.
Until date ebi mutimi from catches I still feel the pain. Me say you feel it akopim so be free we ase.
Eti bia ye basa.
No ne basa no. Wo betimi akwa Elon Musk. Wo betimi abe Aligo Dangote. My soul fear is happy I paid you. I'm okay.
Wow, Papa.
Yes. Oh, sorry. Yes. Yanya ne sankofo be di nsem huna che nipa che wo wiase. E na make catch you say yes. Pacho metio.
What bo be me bi duada?
No, sa ne ma ne de menyo. Me de ne ye.
No, but de wo kan. Eni duabo no.
Oh, there be.
Ana ene no me esa wo do me be.
Oh, there be me ndo me wo ho.
Na we de
ese wo no ba. Dear me ex I'm 34 me nyini ko. I've had 6 exes. Ba ko na adwene ye adwuma nim nyansa 5 no. Omo fa girl bi omo bo me din. Omo see I do. Don't joke with that girl.
Edu Safowaah.
Yes, darling.
Yet say ton bi aba, kuka ton, singer ton, preacher ton. And a dancing ton no say makeup ton ni nyina bi aba. Ehu ya ne say speech ton. Sister, osu gina mu den. A che say nya gudi. E dey ne she won cry. E ma okoye bi. Na oye na experience no. Net saying na boafo no bibia che say ye person no ye ebo e ho no etofa am I
Bacho me that say all say me you be I always want to move forward. Okay. And na me tie entertainment pandita obo so mo bo brand we do your local champion or you say hey now what will make you an international champion? Okay. And no any pushing me into the Guinness World Record. Okay. And when we say Mira Guinness Nemonominya and Munyam okay. That's the CEO of Magic Hands Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Bright Green. Wow. Emma Odineni Munyam Edi Menim. Okay. And he coming to sponsorship and all those things, you know. Amayamre. Okay. And me be who be say when we say things that people think so where they mean fee and family that is what people support privately. If you say we got envelope on envelope privately and I me boss on Kasa Magic Hands no he doesn't only time for Sani Mano right. And he good support both from government individuals like that and no me no wow on yan kofona say afi no be say we've gotten it he doesn't have that time and you know I wanted to go international. I wanted to have that international affiliation. Okay. You know, because I remember say December na me too kwai at international level na bibi na mepe. Nti me approach you obino many omo kasa na me so I'm the Guinness World Record contender for longest speech marathon. So mu Google ye no mu ye. Abrofo no mu nyina ha give me you know. Wow. I needed to penetrate something. Na me pa kwenya bi e de ra kwenya mu. And then so no minya mitimi efa sa Guinness World Record ni mo no e bie international affiliations be.
So because of bibi na wo pe e wo baby no enti na ma o force as o force wo ho ekoye bi na.
No, I didn't force myself. No, I didn't force myself. I already had my name. Okay. Good. My main cancer being show. Yes, no kwafo or kasa won intro. Okay. The signature of Adonko Bitters. There is nothing. Unse every star has a signature. the only thing I will call a crabby as a village corner Ghana ha. Winya ka yankra 3 years kwa betu edi Adonko famiko. So I had my exposure from a lot of things already. But now me catch us and now me pesa international affiliations na me too kwanya. Me so many broni bi di nkoma because me ka French.
Okay.
Eti me ni broni bi di nkoma me timi di akase like back like I'm a Guinness World Record na ama me ni mo nyam akwa ni mo. And after Guinness na benya a global citizen. I me kaisa me ne the legend Bolare Eco conference outside Ghana global citizens onombe hosti conference maybe and not legend in him that say me ka French. In the other conference me ne nkofo exchange French like to be me knows Edu you a superwoman. You speak French and I'm saying oh, yes papa. Me dey me share me legends ne dey me dey omani mo nyam and you money dey mo. So at the airport na me ne omo ka French no it's like I'm so proud of you. And you know na me te French into no na me pe platform me dey be ka French na bom na me kwa me so me dey be express me so that's why I went into the Guinness.